Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing an incredible true story about a 79-year-old cleaning lady. A woman who spent her life waking up at 4 a.m. to scrub office building floors, only to be betrayed by the people she trusted most. Here's how she lost everything, and how she fought back to reclaim justice. My name is Margaret Chen. I'm 79 years old. The two-story house in Queens that my husband and I bought 40 years ago was my entire life savings. But that house, the home I protected my whole life, almost disappeared overnight. It all started at my husband's funeral. That morning, I was holding Robert's cold hand, watching someone you spent 50 years with grow cold like this. I didn't know it could hurt this much. Mom, it's okay to cry. Dad's watching over you. My daughter-in-law Jessica rubbed my shoulder. Her hand felt warm as she wiped my tears. Until that moment, I trusted her completely. The funeral home smelled of lilies. Mourners came and went. Some cried, some offered condolences. I just sat there, numb. Late that night, heading to the restroom, I overheard a conversation that made me question my own ears. The house and bank accounts are all ours now, Jessica. It was Linda, Jessica's mother. We already handled the hospital paperwork. Got her signature. We're the legal guardians now. Jessica's voice. She was laughing. Old people belong in nursing homes anyway. Say she has dementia and nobody questions it. Exactly, Mom. In today's world, being naive only costs you. I froze in place. My legs trembled. I couldn't breathe. The same hands that wiped my tears were planning to steal my home. Someone approached from down the hall. A middle-aged man in a dark suit. Are you all right, ma'am? He handed me a business card. I'm David Morrison, attorney for this building. If you ever need help, please call me. I didn't understand the significance then. I just nodded and pocketed the card. Even after the funeral, I still woke up at 4 a.m. every day. I couldn't stop cleaning buildings. Mopping the floors, I thought to myself. Floors shine when you scrub them. Why do human hearts get so dirty? When I got home, my bank books that always sat on the kitchen counter were gone. I searched every drawer, every room. Nothing. Michael, where are my bank books? I asked my son. Mom, I put them in the bank for safekeeping. It's not safe at home anymore. Michael wouldn't look at me. Something felt wrong. The next day I went to the bank. The teller checked her computer and said, Ma'am, this account currently has a conservatorship designation. You can't make withdrawals yourself. Conservatorship? When did I ever? According to our records, the paperwork was filed on the 28th of last month. You signed it at the hospital, correct? Then I remembered. The day at the hospital when Jessica brought me documents to sign. Jessica had given me a small pill bottle that day. Mom, it's your blood pressure medication. Make sure you take it. I took it without question. But after taking the pill, my head felt foggy. My eyelids grew heavy, my mind clouded. Mom, this is just a hospital consent form. Just sign here. A hospital administrator pushed papers toward me. The print was tiny. My vision was too blurry to read properly. What does it say? Just admission paperwork. Sign quickly, please. I signed. That signature was the beginning of losing everything. Rumors started spreading through the neighborhood. Margaret Chen has dementia now. Poor Jessica, taking care of her. She forgets everything, can't even speak straight. I didn't have dementia, but nobody believed me. Jessica told me to my face. Mom, you keep forgetting things. You should stay in a nursing home. It's better for you there. I'm staying in my house. Mom, you can't be alone anymore. It's dangerous. Then my grandson Tommy came over. The high school senior looked at my pill bottle and searched on his phone. Grandma, this isn't blood pressure medicine. It's a heavy sedative. Tommy's voice shook. Why would Mom give you this? Eventually, they forced me into a nursing home. Jessica and Linda gripped my arms on both sides. You'll be comfortable here, Mom. The nursing home was hell. The food was terrible, and they made elderly residents clean and run errands. I held a mop there too. Meanwhile, my house was listed for sale. Tommy told me photos of our house were posted online as senior downsizing sale. One day, Tommy happened to walk past a Starbucks and saw Jessica, Linda, and the hospital administrator, Robert Chen, meeting inside. The conservatorship papers are done. The will's ready too. Selling the house will get us at least $1.2 million. The old lady can rot in that nursing home till she dies. Tommy hid behind a car and recorded everything on his phone. He remembered the business card from the funeral. Attorney David Morrison. Tommy went to his office alone. Mr. Morrison, please help my grandmother. David Morrison watched the video, his face hardening. This is clear fraud. Let's take this all the way. He began collecting evidence. Bank documents, hospital records, medication analysis, phone recordings. Months later, the trial finally happened. I stood in court. Small and bent, but my voice was clear. I was told I was signing hospital admission forms. Nobody said anything about conservatorship. Jessica and Linda tried to make excuses. We were doing this for her benefit. She had dementia symptoms. Then Tommy took the witness stand. I recorded this myself. The video played on a large screen. Jessica's voice echoed through the courtroom. The old lady can rot in that nursing home till she dies. Jessica's face went pale. Linda dropped her head. The judge spoke. Systematic fraud and document forgery against an elderly mother. I sentenced the defendants to 2 years imprisonment. People in the gallery sighed. Neighbors, elderly friends from the nursing home sat watching. My son Michael knelt before me. Mom, I'm sorry. I knew what was happening. I touched his head. Better late than never to realize. After the trial, Attorney Morrison said, I'll help you cancel the conservatorship and get your house back. All the way through. Months later, I opened my front door again. The maple tree in the yard stood unchanged. Sunlight streamed onto the hardwood floors. I still wake at 4 a.m. to clean buildings. The pay isn't much, but now I can come home to my own house. That's enough. Every Saturday, Tommy and Michael come for dinner. Slowly, our family is healing. I can't fully forgive Jessica. But maybe someday, if she truly repents, things might be different. Honest work may dirty your hands, but those stains wash clean. A heart dirtied by greed, only law and conscience can wash that away. My life quietly proves this truth. If this story touched you, please subscribe and like. Share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you.